Hi everybody, welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials, and this is video number 5 I suppose of exercise 2 from David Reyner book, and this is from the chapter Algebra 2. So from the Algebra 2 chapter exercise 2, we have already completed question number 1 to 50 in the previous videos. In this video number 5, I'm going to cover questions from 51 onwards and up to 60. Okay, so it's going to be pretty short video, but let us see. Okay, so to get started with, let us move on to question number 51. Okay, so here we go on the screen, and yeah, here we are. So question number 51, already 1 to 50 has been done with. Okay, question number 51 says that plus 7 plus inside the bracket is minus 7.1. Okay, fine. Now how to work out this? First we'll get rid of this bracket. So you can write this as equal to plus 7. Now plus into minus is minus, and you can write 7.1. So bracket has been removed. Now we have two directed numbers with opposite sign. So you have to choose a sign of a bigger number. Now out of 7 and 7.1, the bigger number is 7.1. So I'll put the sign of that 7.1, which is nothing but this minus. Okay. Then what I'll do, from the bigger number, I'll subtract the smaller number. That is from 7.1, I'll subtract 7. So 7.1 minus 7 will give me the answer as 0.1. Okay. So this is the answer for this 51st question. Now let us move on to 52nd. 52nd question says that it is minus 11 and then minus of a minus 4 in bracket, then plus of a plus 3 in bracket. Okay. So first what I'll do is I'll get rid of this bracket. So minus 11 I'll write as it is. Minus into minus will make it plus, and then 4. So bracket is removed. Plus into plus will be again plus, and then I'll write 3 and the bracket is removed. So you have three directed numbers. Okay. Minus 11, plus 4 and plus 3. Now these we have to deal with in pairs. Okay. So first we'll take this two. Okay. For this two, what you will get is minus 11 and plus 4 are two directed numbers with opposite sign. So I'll take a sign of the bigger number, that is 11. Okay. So I've taken minus sign. Okay. 11 has a minus sign before it. So minus sign I have taken. Now what I'll do is 4 I'll subtract from 11. Okay. So I'll get the answer as 7. So minus 7 is the answer for this part. Okay. Then you have a plus 3 over here. Now in the second step, what I'll do is I'll solve this. Okay. Here again, there are two directed numbers with opposite signs. So I'll take the sign of the bigger number, that is minus. Then the smaller number I'll subtract from the bigger number. That is 7 minus 3 I will do. So I'll get the answer as 4. So minus 4 is the answer for this entire thing. Let us go to 53. Question number 53 says that it's minus 2 and then minus and minus 8.7. Okay. Now this, if you want to work out this, you can write as minus 2, minus into minus is plus, and then 8.7. Bracket has been removed. Now out of this two, which is the bigger number, 8.7 is the bigger number. So I'll put the sign of that bigger number, that is plus. Now what I'll do, I'll subtract this 2 from 8.7. So that will make it 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6.7. So the answer is plus 6.7 for this 53. 54th. 54th says that it's a plus 7 and then plus in bracket minus 11 and then plus in bracket plus 5. So first I will remove brackets. So it will be plus 7 minus 11 plus 5. Okay. Then I'll deal with these two first. Now these are two directed numbers with opposite signs. So I'll take the sign of the bigger number, that is 11. So I'll take minus, and then 7 I'll subtract from 11. So it will make it 4. So minus 4 is the answer for this. Then I'll write this plus 5. Okay. Now I'll work on this. This is again two directed number with opposite signs. Okay. So I'll take the sign of the bigger number, that is 5. So it is plus, and then I'll subtract 4 from 5. So that is 1. The answer for 54 is plus 1. right? 55. 55 says minus 610 plus minus 240. Okay. Now this I remove the bracket, it will be minus 610 plus into minus is minus and then 240. Now this happens to be two directed number with the same sign. So the same sign I am going to repeat here. So it is minus. Okay. And what I'll do is we'll have to add these two numbers. Okay. So 610 and 240 will make it 600 and 200 is 800 and 40 and 10 is 50. So it will be 850. So the answer is minus 850. 56. 56 says it is a minus 7, then a minus of minus 3 in bracket, then a minus of minus 8 in bracket. Fine. Okay. Now, you have to make some space for this. Yeah, that's enough. Now this, if I want to work out, first I'll remove the brackets. So it will be minus 7 and then minus into minus is plus, so plus 3. And then again here minus into minus is plus, so it will be plus 8. So first I'll work out this minus 7 plus 3 because they are directed number with opposite sign. I'll take the sign of the bigger directed number, that is 7. So I'll take minus over here. Then I'll subtract 3 from 7, that makes it 4. So minus 4 is the answer for this. Then I'll put this plus 8 in front of that. Now again if you work out this is minus 4 plus 8, again two opposite sign numbers, directed numbers. So I'll take the sign of the bigger number, that is plus, and I will do what? I will subtract 4 from 8. So that will give me 4. So the answer is plus 4. Right? That was 56. 57. 57 is plus 9 minus a minus 6 in bracket plus minus 9 in bracket. Now this, if I want to remove the bracket first, it will be plus 9 plus 6 minus 9. Then plus 9 and plus 6 will happen to be how much? 9 and 6 is 15. Plus 15. Okay. And then I have minus 9 over here. Now this, if I want to work out, I'll put a sign of a bigger number, that is plus, and I'll subtract 9 from 15. So if I subtract 9 from 15, it should be 6. So plus 6 is the answer for the 57. 58. 58 is a minus 1 and a minus in bracket, again a minus 5, and then plus in bracket, again a minus 8. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So first I'll remove the bracket to make it minus 1 plus 5 minus 8. Now these two first I'm going to work out. Minus 1 plus 5 will be how much? Now this is directed numbers with opposite sign, so I'll take plus the sign of the bigger one, and then smaller number I'll subtract from the bigger. So 5 minus 1, that will work out to plus 4, and then I have minus 8. Now I'll work out this, and this answer will be, again this is two directed number with opposite sign, so I'll take minus sign because that is the sign of a bigger number. Then 4 I'll subtract from 8, that will be 4. This is the answer. Now 59. Okay. And 60, we are left with only two questions in this exercise. Okay. So 59 is minus 2.1 plus minus 9.9. Okay. So first I'm going to remove the bracket. So it will be minus 2.1 and minus 9.9. Okay. Now these are two directed numbers with same sign minus. So I'll repeat that sign minus. And all I have to do is add the numbers. So 9.9 plus 2.1 will be 9 plus 1 is 0. And 1 carried. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 2 is 12. The answer will be minus 12. Okay. And the last one, of course, 60th one, is a minus 47 minus a minus 16. This will be minus 47 plus 16. And because this is opposite sign directed number, I'll take the sign of the bigger number, that is minus, and I'll subtract 16 from 47. So 7 minus 6 is 1 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So minus 31 is the answer for the 60th one. And I suppose with this we are done with exercise 2 and of this algebra 2 chapter. And in the next video we will start with exercise 3 and then 4 and we'll go on. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and it was, as I told you, it will be a short video because we had to only cover 10 questions and we are done with. So goodbye, take care all of you.